All right, welcome back to the channel. Just did a quick opening of the box. I just bought a kind of a glove box and panel switch set up for Honda Pioneer 500, and I got that from Crossroads 3D. So just started to open this. Looks like it comes with some instructions. Gave a cool decal that'll be going on the side-by-side. Take the packaging out. So this will be going in where on the Pioneer 500 has this big warning label, so you're going to cut around the edge of that, and then this should slip right in there. Now, one word of caution in the instructions said to look behind where that warning label is to make sure there's no other electronic components. I guess some of the factory installed winches have the controller back there, so those have to be moved before you do any cutting. Mine doesn't have the factory winch. I will be installing a winch here soon as well. But for this project, it's just going to be the glove box and panel switch. Okay, so the instructions say to cut right up to the molded indentation of the warning plate. So I'm thinking right along this edge here. So I will start doing the cutting with my utility knife, and I'll check back right after I get that cut out. All right, I took slow, shallow cuts with the utility knife. My advice, just, take it slow. Go with some shallow cuts to get your line started, and then slowly push your way through. The plastic is thicker than it looks, so it will take a few swipes with the utility knife to get through it. Now, it also says to put your switches and things in the box before actually popping that all the way in, because once this box is in, it's going to fit pretty snug and be hard to pop back out. So I just got some switches off of Amazon, so I will pop those in and then get ready to insert the box into the dash. Okay, we got the little glove box in. I got my switches popped in there and a USB charger port. Around to the front here, so I just had that's where the box comes into the behind the dash. I got the wiring I'm gonna tie up, and I'm actually gonna hook like a power bus under here. I'm going to run from the battery in the back to up front for some more accessories. So that'll be in a separate video, but again, just wanted to say I'm very pleased with the Crossroads 3D glove box, and I'll put a link in the description below, and definitely check them out. Thanks for watching.